In this quick video guide, I want to show you this website called Rawpixel, where we can find a lot of illustrations, images, photos, and also artboards and also graphic design, compositions. And most of the website is completely free. Then we have also premium resources and also public domain. So in this video, we're going to talk about public domain. So you can see here that you can use all the images that you find here with the CC0 license. So you can basically use these images for anything like personal use or commercial use as well. So to get to the website, just search for Rawpixel and the first result here, or you can click directly into public domain. And you can see you have many different categories that you can pick from. You have photography, you have ornament, you have patterns, and these are all by artists that existed in the past, and they created different graphic design. Here you can change also the visualization style, and these are public domain basically because they were created, and also these are available at least 70 years after the author's death. But you can also find contemporary creatives. So you can search here if you're looking for something in particular, or you can scroll and check the various authors here. Now, if you want, you can also create an account and you can publish your own work and you can share your own work. So basically you select a category here, and when you like a particular image, you can just select one of these. So for example, let's select this one here. Okay, and you have all the information about the author. You can see that the was a French artist and so on. And again, these are all free to use and download under the CC0 license. So for example, if I like this one, I will click on this one here and I can check again the information, and I can see here that it's free. So if I click here, also I can get to the free creative resources, which are from contemporary or past authors, and you can find also pictures. So sometimes the size it's smaller, sometimes it's bigger, depends on the author, and also sometimes you need a membership to get the highest resolution. Okay, so in this case, if we go back, we can check the previous one, which is totally public domain. So when you read public domain CC0 image, then you can download it totally for free, and you can also pick a subscription here if you want. So you need to create an account if you want to download, and then it's pretty easy. Just you can enter with the Facebook or with your email. Once you do that, you click on free download and you can download anything. And also if you want to be more sure about the license, you can check here and you can see the official Creative Commons website, which we talked into another video. You can also change the size here and the format. So you have JPEG and TIFF. JPEG is more for digital and TIFF is more for printed design. So let's go back here and do another search. So for example, if I'm looking for something in specific, I can type dog, and then here I can start to insert some filters. So I can say public domain, and also I can define if I want photos or graphics or mockups or templates. Also again, I can choose the file type. You can also have PSD, so you can use this in Photoshop, and also the sizes. Okay, so for example, if I like this one again, I will click here, check if it is public domain CC0 image, and also I can go here to free download. You can see that the free membership, it gives you unlimited downloads from public domain collection. So you can use this public domain here to download anything basically, and then use it for your work or for your exam or whatever you need to create. And we can see here the downloaded image. So In this case, the format was JPEG and the resolution wasn't too big, but more than 1 megapixel. So if I zoom, I can see that it's pretty high quality, so I can use it for many purposes. I can also use the categories here. So if I go to animals, I can check. You can see that there are many illustrations and not so many photos at the moment, but probably in the future these will be updated and we will have more illustrations and photos and many other interesting works. And you can check here also the most popular and the newest, so that you can see the latest updates. So you can search anything you need here and you maybe find something useful for your work. And so this is so pretty easy to use, pretty simple website, and offers a lot of free stuff that is pretty useful. And this will be all for this video guide, which was a really simple video guide. But if you like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you want to support us, please join the channel, which is this one here, JBDTube. And you can check also our other videos here and the rest of the channel. We publish many videos about software, about websites, about apps, and many other topics. So if you're looking for something particular, for example, Creative Commons, you can type here and you can search for that. There you go. So again, this will be all for this video guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.